Let's take a look at an example of how the Vbus validation feature can be used to do under voltage testing on a USB power delivery device. Here on port 4, I have a USB PD power brick connected and it is currently charging at 20 volts. We can see here that rule 4 was selected, which aligns to the 20-volt rule. With the Vbus validation feature, we can actually manually take over the voltage rail. Here I've set it to 19 volts, and you can see the voltage has changed, but we're still in rule 4 and no power delivery communication has occurred. At some point, we will drop this value low enough, the device should complain and issue a reset. This typically occurs when you get closer to the voltage of another rule. And there we have it. We see that the voltage finally dipped too low and the device issued a reset, causing a renegotiation of power, which brought us back to the 20-volt rule.